Algebra, Grade 6 ICSE. What is algebra? Algebra is a branch of mathematics that uses letters and symbols to represent numbers and quantities in formulas and equations. Constants and variables. Constants, fixed values, e.g. 2, 5, 10. Variables, letters that represent changing or unknown values, e.g. x, y, z. Algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression is a combination of constants, variables, and operators, like plus, minus, times, divide. Example, 2x plus 5, 4, a minus b, 3x, divided by 2y, 2, a plus 3b plus 4c. Like and unlike terms. Like terms have the same variable raised to the same power, e.g. 2x and 5x. Unlike terms have different variables or powers, e.g. 3x and 4y, forming simple expressions. Examples: 5 more than a number, x, x plus 5, 3 less than a number y, y minus 3, double a number z, 2z. Simple equations. An equation is a statement that two expressions are equal. Example: x plus 3 equals 7, 4a plus 2b equals 10. Solving simple equations. To solve x plus 3 equals 7, subtract 3 from both sides. X equals 7, minus 3, x equals 9. Word problems. Example: Ravi thinks of a number. When he adds 6 to it, he gets 15. What is the number? Let the number be x. X plus 6 equals 15, x equals 15 minus 6, x equals 9. Why learn algebra? Helps solve real-life problems. Builds logical thinking. Used in science, technology, and economics. Quick recap: algebra uses letters to represent numbers. Expressions combine variables and constants. Equations show equality and can be solved. Practice makes perfect.